Since the dawn of time, people have looked to the stars for inspiration, navigation, and most often just in simple amazement. To help us understand, we have used telescopes and star maps and now the technology of smartphones and even virtual reality. But is there a better way? Now at the award-winning and ever-innovative Diable Vert, a world's first is being developed, a combination of cutting-edge technology in a way that's never been done before, anywhere on Earth. ObservEtoiles is the world's first open-air augmented reality planetarium. Newly certified as a Canadian dark sky preserve, only the second in Quebec, Diable Vert has one of the darkest, most beautiful skies you can see anywhere. Up to 180 guests will discover the heavens throughout the year from pioneering heated seats developed by Arena Comfort Products in a beautiful mountainside amphitheater. Technology partner StarChart, the world's #1 night sky app, has developed the first augmented reality version of their program, just for us. The Aryzon augmented reality headset allows the combination of digital imagery while still allowing you to see the beauty of the real sky. Science writer, broadcaster, and speaker Andrew Fazekas, the Night Sky Guy, will continually provide exciting content and updates. Night Sky Odyssey will take you on a mind-bending tour of our solar system, so compelling you'll want to reach out and touch the planets as they orbit around the sun. Beautiful 17th century illustrations of the constellations align perfectly with the actual planets and stars, allowing you to finally unlock the night sky and see it as you never have before. Able to see the names of the stars, planets, and even satellites passing overhead will give you a profound new understanding of what surrounds you. And best of all, when the show is over, this technological breakthrough is yours to keep and take home to enjoy forever with your own smartphone and make you the expert the next time your family and friends point to the sky and ask, "I wonder what that is." ObservEtoiles, coming to Diable Vert in Sutton, Quebec in spring 2018.